Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court criminal docket for August 16th, 2022. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, will you call our next case, please?
In cause number 2018-0D05116, State of Texas versus Sarah Hernandez. Announcement, please.
Roa King for the State of Texas. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Marcelo Rivera with the Public Defender's Office on behalf of Sarah Hernandez, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. So we're here for a final judges conference. I assume everybody, I didn't realize the extent to which we were having IT technical issues. So hopefully, I don't have Odyssey open, and I don't know that I can. I know we're set for trial, I think in October. And so, or is it September?
It's September, Your Honor. I actually have the most recent setting pulled up on my computer.
Okay.
We had it saved to the drive here. So it looks like we have a final hearing / plea deadline. September 13th.
Okay, perfect.
Special setting jury trial September 16th.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So how are we doing on this case? What's outstanding?
Your Honor, so I did give an update to defense counsel yesterday and today. We are at a likelihood to kind of wrap up this case with a recommendation. The only thing that's pending right now, we did have a 8 a.m. this morning, a meeting or attempted to meet with the complaining witness family. Some of them tested positive for COVID, so we were attempting to go on Zoom, and some were actually trying to appear in person. Long story short, that actually did not happen, so it is rescheduled for 10 a.m. tomorrow. And I did let Mr. Marcelo know that once I speak to the family tomorrow to kind of let them know how this case will wrap up, I will speak to him, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, I know you all will work on it. Mr. Rivera, anything that requires a hearing, just so I know for scheduling purposes before that final hearing plea deadline?
Nothing I can think of.
Okay, just as you know, things are still, I guess, moving on this case. So if you all need a hearing on anything, just let us know sooner than later. Scheduling is going to be tricky just because of some availability with the annual conference as we get close to the trial date. You know, if you all need a hearing outside of those dates, we'll have to schedule those. But I'll just wait to hear from you all. If something resolves sooner than not, let us know. If not, we'll check in with you on the 13th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care, guys.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Who's next? Mr. Ramirez.
Top of page 6, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
In cause number 2021-0D00847, State of Texas versus Ernesto Ramirez. Announcement of counsel, please.
Roa King for the State of Texas.
You know what, did Miss Garcia, I don't see her on the docket as being his attorney, but I know she was here at the last hearing. Can we make contact with Miss Garcia? Is she's still representing you? No, Mr. Ramirez? Oh God, no system. So Ms. Alayandia, while we wait, I'm sure you just received that email as well. I don't know if you've been in contact with Ms. Whitaker from Veterans Court, yes, but what I understand is they will not be able to admit him again for his prior treatment. The grant, I guess, that they operate under does not allow for that. She doesn't specifically reference DWI court. She says, I don't know if he has been admitted into a drug court before, could be help in that. She's offering her assistance. So I did see though, Ms. Alayandia, on your case summary that there was the alternate DWI court for treatment. How far, if anything, had we done in terms of exploring that? I know my preference was Veterans Court, but it seems like we're really not going to be able to do that at this point.
So, Your Honor, he's actually admitted into drug court. They're just waiting for the court to modify him if it chooses to do so. And he would be admitted. He doesn't have to go through the screening process again.
Okay. Mr. Ramirez, do you know, have you been in touch with your attorney? And you're muted, so if you'll unmute, please. Have you been in touch with your attorney?
No, you know what? I haven't since.
Okay.
Honestly, I haven't been in touch with anybody.
Okay, so let's take a quick break because I want to see if I know she's been showing up to these hearings, and I don't know if we really thought this was going to be a real hearing, but Veterans Court is saying they can't take you, and but let's get her here. So we're going to take a quick break to see if we can get in touch with your attorney. But I'll tell you, both probation and the Veterans Court, I guess administrator, are both recommending a DWI treatment court. So let me get her here and then we can talk about it.